Next, we'll study about the power factor. Power factor is the sine of angle in H and current. Basically, it's a cos phi. So if we'll show it from the impedance triangle, then cos phi would be how much? R, X, and Z. Cos phi is R by Z, right? If we'll see from the power triangle, cos phi is equal to P by S. If we'll see the voltage triangle, then it would be VR divided by V. So basically, what is the power factor? It is sine of angle between voltage and current. Will have very much importance of the power factor. Let's see how importance of power factor. Ideally, power factor equal to 1. Okay, cos phi should be equal to 1. But whenever we'll use inductive load, then in that case, cos phi power factor is from 1 to maybe 0 0.4, 0 0.6, 0.8. Clear? So we don't need we need to improve the power factor up to 1 or near to 1. Why is it so? Let's see. Then you know the formula for the active power equal to I cos phi. If I calculate the current from here, then it would be what? By V cos phi, right? If uh, by any chance or if we'll use inductive load, if cos phi power factor reduces, then current must increase, right? If current is increases, then what happen? Then losses will be more or not? Because losses formula is I square R. If current increases, then also increase, correct? If current increases, we need a greater conductor size. A greater conductor size. Size means the wire having large wire we need that is of large area, because now current increases. Like suppose at your home you are getting a current of 5 ampere. Okay, but if from the government side current increases from 5 ampere to 10 ampere, then you need to make a bigger larger cable, right or not? Okay, so if current increases, voltage drop is also increases. That is also the thing, right? Because according to equal to IR. Next, agar if current increases, then we need to use larger rating equipment. Larger rating equipment means, like suppose at your home you are using an MCB of 5 ampere, but if from the government side current is increased, then you need to then you need to buy a bigger MCB, right? So all these are the disadvantages of decreasing the factor. So that's why instead of doing all these things, we generally focus that factor should be increased to 1 or nearby to the 1. Understood? So in every kind of numerical, they will ask from you the power factor. Like in this previous question we have done, they ask you to calculate the power factor, right? Power factor is what? Power factor cos phi is R divided by Z. So you know the value of R and you know substitute for cos phi.